Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to score big in Block Blast. If you're staring at the screen like where do I even start and how do I not embarrass myself with a low score? Stick around, I am spilling the beans on secret techniques that 99% of players don't even know about it. So grab your phone, your brains because we are diving in. Let's start with the basic. As most of you know, the game has difficult levels. You can chill in the Zen mood until you hit a score of 3000. But once you cross that, it's like the game goes, alright, fun overs. One wrong move and life gone. Which bring me to tip number 1, planning your moves ahead. Now I know what are you thinking. Plan in this chaotic game. Sometime block plus love you another time. Well, it serves you block that make you question their existence. But hear me out, planning ahead means thinking of all possibilities. It's like playing chess. Accept your possibilities, accept your opponent is a sadistic algorithm. Also think about combos. Do not rush to place block in the obvious spot. Look at those weird awkward pieces that don't fit anywhere and mind map how to clear them while maximizing combo. You are basically an architect, except instead of a designing skyscraper. You are trying not to have a mental breakdown. Tip number 2, clearing at least one row or column. Here's the deal, as you score claims, the game transforms clearing a row or column in your safety net. If you don't, you will get stuck faster than a Wi Fi connection during a storm. For example, with Smart Block, don't just shove them into random spaces. You could place these blocks haphazard like a newbie, but instead you will use your brain in clear row, and when you lose a life and get a new set of blocks, don't panic. Place them, take a breath and clear something again because chaos loves an unprepared player.